Okay, so if we head into the search menu option at the top, followed by Candidates Advanced, we'll use Candidates for this demonstration. And once you've done that, it'll open up this Candidate Finder Advanced Search window here. So the first thing I'd like to show is how to do basic searching. So let's say, for example, we want to bring up a list of candidates that have been created after the 1st of January 2021, today's date being the 6th of June 2022. So what I could do is just scroll down to create date, and then from there what I can do is just type in the greater symbol followed by the date 01/01/2021 and just hit enter. And immediately what that does is the system searches for any candidates that have been created after the date of January the 1st, 2021, and that's showing me 68 line hits and 68 total hits. It's a fairly easy way to do that. So the next method is going to do the same thing but in a different way. If I just quickly change this to, in fact, let me show you that it works. If I click on names on the top left here, you'll find that it brings up a list of candidates which I can then put into a list using this list option here. I'm going to go back into the general menu or tab here and just change this to ignore, so it's not going to show me any total hits anymore. So if I click names, it's not going to show me anything here. Going back into the general tab, if I hit the add button here, change this to and, change this to create date. This time I'm going to do the same thing in a different method. So if I type in between 01/01/2021 and the next date, which is today's date 06/06/2022, and hit enter, you'll find that I get the exact same result. It's doing the same thing but with just a different method, you can call it. If I go back into names, you can see the same list of candidates. Back in the tab for general, this method here is quite good because you can refine between two dates. So if I wanted to refine this to, let's say, 2021, you get another set of results. Change the month, and between the 1st of January and 6th of January 2021, there were no new candidates created in this system. So that's another method that you can use. The next method is going to do the same thing, but in another way. Just change this to and, create date, and this time I'll do the opposite way around. So if I do less than 06/06/2021 and greater than 01/01/2021, we should get the same results. And as you can see, we do. If I hit names now, you get the same results. So that's that. I'll delete this for the next example. So this time I'd like to show how you can search for candidates with certain email address endings or domains. So let's say, for example, if I go to email address and I'd like to search for all candidates within my system that have an email address ending with hotmail.com, I can type in, if I type in hotmail.com, you'll see I get nothing. What we'd have to do is actually type in the method ends with and then hit enter, and you can see it shows me one line hits. So if I hit names, I've got the candidate here. If I go into it, you can see that this candidate has an email address with hotmail.com at the end. If I was to go back into the search and change this to .co.uk, hit enter, that's also got one line hit, and it's got the same name here, but when I go inside of it, you can see that this person has .co.uk instead. I should have named it a different name for the candidate name. Okay, so that's how you can search for candidates with certain email addresses. The next thing I'd like to show is how to search for a particular uh, candidate with a certain event type. So let's take this candidate as an example. This person has an event inside of it um, called email shortlist, and what I want to do in this system is find anybody who has this event type. So what I could do is just go inside general, and I removed all my criteria from before. Then I need to click on event, as I am searching for candidates based on their events. And then from here, to find a type of event, it's very simple. You select the type option for the field name, and then for the criteria, you click on the magnifying glass here. The finder will open here, and we can just type in the event name, which is email shortlist, and just left click and hit OK. And straight away that's brought up 9 hits. So if I hit names, it should show me within this list R Shah, and it does. Here it is. And it's appearing because this candidate has this event type inside of it.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I will catch you on the next one.